Today we're going to be replacing spark plugs on an 07 Mustang. This should also apply to 07 through 09 models as well. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So the tools you're going to need for this job, your spark plugs of course. There's 6 of them here because they do have a 6-cylinder. You're going to need your spark plug removal tool. This is a 5/8. It's magnetic and it has like a gumminess inside, so it helps get them out. I'm also using this kind of extender to clip on there so that it's easier to reach down in the spark plugs. And then your ratchet. This is a 3/8 drive, an electrical one, so it makes the job a lot faster. Also, of course, you can use your regular ratchet. So, quick note about the spark plugs. These ones did come pre-gapped, so I don't have to gap them. But if you do need to do that, you're gonna get your user manual. As you can see right here, spark plug gap, it has the measurements right here, or the inches, that you need to gap it. Then you'll use one of these tools. To do it, you can see, like if it's matching up with this. So first thing I like to do for safety, of course, is disconnect the battery. So I just can disconnect the ground lead here. And I like to put like a towel or something, kind of just to keep it away, so it doesn't accidentally, reconnect while I'm working on it. All right, there we go. Disconnect the spark plug wires. So there'll be 6 of them. As you can see, mine are numbered. That way, when I put them back in, I know the order. Make sure you know the order because it can cause misfires and stuff. They're also numbered right here. Also, don't just yank the spark plug wires out. So you want to just kind of like wiggle on them. There you go. Okay. Loosen it up. There, I can feel it kind of getting loose. Okay. And then, there you go. The spark plug will just come out with it. You're going to want to put these in by hand. That way you prevent cross-threading. So you're going to boop, 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 tighten by hand. Once it's in there, tighten by hand, then you can get your wrench. So you can kind of, because it's kind of hard to see sometimes. So just boop, put it in there. So I just tighten them until they feel snug. Don't over tighten them. Okay, and then you just put back on your spark plug wire. Then you move on to the next one. Now, one thing that I like to do is apply a little bit of anti-seize on the spark plug wires. That way they're easier to get off in future jobs and they don't corrode on there. Because in the past I've had spark plug wires that have gotten stuck on there, and it is a very difficult thing to do once they're kind of just, locked on there. Okay, and here is that last spark plug.